আপনার ভবিষ্যৎ কি আপনি বলতে পারবেন? যদি জ্যোতিষী হন তাহলে নিশ্চয়ই পারবেন। আচ্ছা, জ্যোতিষী না হলেও ভবিষ্যৎ বলতে কোনো বাধা নেই। Today we'll be learning how to talk about the future. To talk about the future, we have to use a single word, will. Okay, after subject, we'll use this auxiliary verb, will, and then the main verb of the sentence will come. Let's look at some examples. I'll speak for 2 minutes. You will watch the video till the end. They'll attend their classes. Shahin will catch the robbers. Remember, when you are speaking, you should use the contracted forms. So, I will becomes I'll. We will becomes will. He will becomes he'll. She will she'll. They will they'll. It will it'll. I believe they'll be of your use. There's another phrase that you can use instead of will when you are talking about anything that you have planned for the near future. The phrase is going to. Before going to, you should always use be verbs. Am is are. Have a look at some examples. Our editor, Zobayer Khan, is going to get married soon. We are going to celebrate his wedding. Zobayer is going to have a baby after 2 years of his marriage. So all these things are actually planned. And when we are using the phrase going to, we are talking about something that is going to happen in the near future. When you want to make negative sentences using this structure, simply add not after will. So when you are speaking or in spoken English, you shouldn't say I will not. Rather, you should say I won't. So will not becomes won't. Have a look at some more examples. I won't talk much today. You won't dislike this video, hopefully. Thanks for watching. If you have got any questions, please do ask in the comment box. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends.